Welcome to day 95 of Maths Wizard. So we were doing equation of a straight line, and in the last session I have already explained you the concept related to slope and then collinearity, and also the conditions for the basically slope of the x-axis and slope of the y-axis, and also conditions for the parallel lines and the perpendicular lines. And in today's session we are going to discuss the equation of a straight line, different types of equation of a straight line. So let's start with the first one. Very most today's session is most important, guys, because only this session will give you the concept related to the questions that are going to which are going to come in, or basically which are coming in your examination, final examination. And 100% no doubt from here you are going to get a question of minimum of 3 marks and maximum of 5 marks, right? And there is maximum chances that they will give you questions which will also include the concept of section formula and midpoint formula. Both these chapters, section formula and midpoint formula and equation of a straight lines, they make together one question of basically 4 marker, and then basically 1 or 2 MCQs from these two chapters, right? So let's start with the first concept, that is called 1 point slope form. First we are going to discuss, in the last session I explained few topics, and in this session also I am going to explain you few topics, and basically all the concepts related to this chapter will be completed, and then from tomorrow's session we are going to start doing questions from this chapter. First topic is 1 point slope form. 1 point slope form. What does it mean? It means you will be given 1 point, right? 1 point. And that point will always be x1 comma y1, x1 comma y1. And what does 1 point slope? This is form, basically form. 1 point slope form, and this is your m, which is nothing but a slope, and we have already discussed that how to find slope of a line. Now let's take one example first. Let's say this is, and the equation is y minus y1, that is equal to m, then x minus x1. This is the 1 point slope form. Somehow some students basically write it like this: y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So that's your basically choice, if you write like this or if you write like this, both are okay. Just I have sent this to, just I have transferred this to division of this term, nothing else, right? So generally I am going to use this one, maximum time, okay now. Next, maximum always basically. So this is your 1 point slope form. Now let's do one question on this topic, basically on this particular formula, so that you can easily understand that how to use this kind of formula. For example, question is, find equation of line, find equation of line, line that passes through midpoint of 2, 3 and 4, 1, and slope of the line is negative 1 by 2. So this is the question. So you can directly see over here that we are given 2 points over here, but you have to understand the statement of the question, word problem basically. This is actually called Mathlese. This is not English, this is Mathlese. This is a little bit different from your English, because in this type of word problem questions you will see the English, but actually it consists the mathematical English, right? So that's important thing to understand, and only then you can apply the formula to find the answer, or you can see to find the equation of the line. So first of all you need to write the formula y minus y1, m bracket x minus x1. Later, because you will be given with a mixed question, so you will not understand directly that which formula is to be applied over here. So but right now we can easily understand that I am basically making you understand 1 point slope form. That's why I just wrote this formula. Till now just try to understand like this, right? Now we need to understand that we need 1 point, and we need one slope, which is already given here slope. So value of m is already given here, negative of 1 by 2. So just directly substitute there. And now let me tell you, x will be as it is, minus will be as it is, y will be as it is, minus will be as it is. The difference is you need to find here y1 and here x1, that's it. And what is x1 y1? You are given over here. So we need to find the equation of a line, and that passes, it means this line is passing through the midpoint of this and this. What did I say? That always they will try to give you a question which will include the concept of section formula and midpoint formula. Right now I just included the concept of midpoint formula only, but in the examination that you will give, they may give you related to section formula also, they may also give you to ratio also. Then you will have to find that particular x1 y1 point, and then you will have to apply this kind of formula. So right now we need to find x1 y1, and x1 y1 is nothing but the midpoint of these two given points. So just we need to find the midpoint. And what is midpoint? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, so 2 plus 4 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2, basically y1 plus y2 divided by 2, so it will comes out to be 3 and it will comes out to be 2. So actually x1 is 3 and y1 is 2. This point is x1, this point is y1. So that's how actually we apply this kind of formula, right? Just cross multiply, it will become 2y minus 4 and it will become negative of x plus 3, or you can write x plus 2y negative 4 negative 3 equal to 7, or x plus 2y negative 7, that is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of basically equation of a line, right? So that's how actually we apply this kind of formula. Now second thing basically, second equation, second topic, it is called 2-point form. 2-point form. Here you will not be given slope, it is only 2-point form. It means in this type of basically equation, just we need 2 points. So let's say the first point is x1 and second point is y1. First one point is x1 and y1, and second point is x2 and y2, right? Now let's say this point is A, this point is B. If I join these 2 points, I'll get a line, right? And what we need to find the equation of this line only, no problem. Now let me make you understand how you will find again y minus y1 is equal to m, then x minus x1, then x minus x1. Now you will say, sir, this is exactly same equation that you just explained in 1-point slope form. Correct. What is the difference over here? Let me tell you. What is the formula of m basically? What is the formula of m? M is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and then x minus x1. So this is the difference only, nothing else. So now just forget this thing, and this is your 2-point form equation, right? Where already you will be given 2 points. Just we need x1 y1, x2 y2, you will be given. Just substitute over your formula, cross multiply and bring it in its standard form. So this is your 2-point form. Now let's come to the third type of equation, and this is called slope intercept form. Slope intercept form, very important. This is y is equal to mx plus c. Here you will have to understand that this m is called slope, but what is this c? Is it constant? Yes, it is a constant value, but actually this constant value is known as y-intercept. Remember guys, this is not x-intercept, this is y-intercept. What is a intercept? What is an intercept basically? Let me make you understand. Let's say this is your x-axis and y-axis and a line. No doubt line will pass through somewhere. Let's say this is the line that passing. So this y-axis, the basically portion it cut with from the origin, this is called C. What if it passes like this? Then this one will be your C. This is positive C, this is negative C. That's how basically we treat any line. Let's say line passes like this. So this is your y-intercept. What if line passes through the? In this case, we do not have y-intercept. So similarly, this kind of things will be given there. And now, where do we use this formula? No doubt, one thing that you will be given is your slope, and second thing y-intercept. Just substitute over here, and in terms of x and y, you will basically find the equation of the line. That's it. But also, let me tell you, in the last session, basically yesterday's session, I have already explained you to find the slope of a line from 2 ways, right? First thing, slope was y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. Second thing, slope was tan theta, tan of theta when angle is given, when 2 points are given. But another method I am going to explain you right now. For example, if I say I have a given equation of a line like this, Now what you need to understand is, just from here, let's say here also 7 is given, fine, 7 is given. From here just you need to find the value of y. So value of y will become 3x minus 7 is equal to 7y. So y will become 3 by 7 times x minus 7 by 7, which is 1 is equal to y. Now you need to use the formula, this one, slope intercept form to compare over this, here. So y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the value of y. So y is nothing but mx plus c. Now if you see, both are exactly same. So if you compare, so your slope will be 3 upon 7. So whenever a line equation is given, let me tell you guys, whenever a line equation will be given, always use slope intercept form to find the slope, right? Fine. So this is the third topic related to the equation of line. Next one, fourth one is your intercept form. What is intercept form? Because it includes only intercept, it does not include slope like the previous one. So here you will given two intercepts. For example, a line passing like this, so it is making some intercept with the x-axis also, like this one. So let's say it is a, and it is also making intercept with the y-axis. Let's say in this case it is b. So intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b, that is always equal to 1. Let's say another line is passing like this. So a will be this thing and b will be this thing, but here b will be your negative, like this thing. So here a will be negative and b will also be negative. Just x intercept and y intercept. A is your x intercept. B is your y intercept. Right? So I think from this chapter you have only this much concept. Just we need to apply, basically practice the questions from this chapter. So in today's session, that's it. See you guys in the next session. Jai Hind.